softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No.
Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are good at home. Please stay home, stay healthy, stay strong. Today I am going to discuss about voice. The voice of a verb indicates whether its subject is the doer or the sentence of the action. Only the transitive verb takes an object. The transitive verb has two voices, that is active voice and passive voice. For example, she made a doll, it's an active voice. Here she is the subject, made is the V2 form, and doll is the adjective. A doll was made by her, it's a passive voice. The transitive verb takes a complement. It has only one voice, that is active voice. For example, he is an engineer. He is the subject, is the verb, engineer is the complement. Another example, she sang nicely. The rose smells sweet. Every sentence need not have an object. There is no need of object in every sentence. Object is determined by verb, which question with what or whom. The noun or the pronoun which answers the question is called an object. Object means the noun or the pronoun which answers the question. Means a noun or pronoun which answers the question. That is an object. If not, it is a complement. If not, this noun or pronoun is not answers the question. Is not if not, it is a object. Sorry, it's a complement. The noun or the pronoun which answers the question is called object. If not, it is a complement. For example, the dog bit the stranger. It's an active voice. The dog is the subject and bit is the V2 form, and the stranger is the object. The stranger was bitten by the dog. It's a passive voice. Means the stranger was bitten by the dog. The stranger is the stranger is the subject. Was is the V form, and bitten is the V3, and by here is the preposition. The dog is the object. Both the sentence meanings the same. Means both the sentence meanings are same. But while the first says the subject did something, first in active one says the subject did something. The second says something was done by the subject. The first sentence is said to be in the active voice because if subject is active and does something. First sentence is the active voice. Subject active voice said to be the active voice because if subject is active and does something is do the something to the active. It's a subject. Do the something for the subject. Second is the sentence that's said to be in the passive because its subject does nothing. Here subject does nothing but passively allows something to be done to him. Active voice, a form or set of forms of a verb in which the subject is typically the person or thing performing the action and which can take a direct object. Means active voice means a form or set of forms of a verb. Subject typically person or thing. If a subject is a person or thing, it's performing an action which can take a direct object. It is called active voice. Example: Rama killed Ravana. It's an active voice. Rama is a subject and kill is the V3 form. V1, and object is the Ravana. Here voice means like active and passive. What does means active means what subject does, means what subject can do. It's a active voice. Passive means the focus is on the action, only is on the action, which a passive means the focus is on the action. What subject is the action, that is on the passive. Passive voice. A verb is in the passive voice when the subject of the sentence is acted on by the verb. Verb is in passive voice. Subject of the sentence is acted. What's the subject of the sentence is acted on by the verb. The ball was thrown by the pitcher. It's a passive voice. Here the ball is the subject. Receives the action of the verb. Receives the action of the verb. And was thrown is in the passive voice. Like the ball is the object. Why? Because it's a passive form. The ball is the object. Thrown is the V3 form. And the picture is the subject. It will change into active voice. The picture is the subject. Throw is the V1. Like the ball is the object. Here the ball is the subject of the receives of the action of the verb. The ball already receives the action of the verb and was thrown in the passive voice. So like in active voice, in passive voice, we have to follow the rules to remember. You have to follow the remember these rules. First rule is there are 5 rules. Like object becomes a subject. Like for example, Rama killed Ravana. Rama is the subject and killed is the Ravana, and Ravana is killed is the verb form and Ravana is the object. Here like a object becomes a subject. Here is the Ravana. Then second rule, suitable be form is used based on the subject. Was, like was, is, or being like that. Third rule, use past participle form of the main verb. Means always we used in passive voice, we used in only V3 form. Fourth rule, generally by preposition used by. We will use in passive voice only preposition by. Fifth rule, subject becomes object. Here Rama means already I told you Rama killed Ravana. Here Rama is the subject and killed V1, like Ravana is the object. Here subject becomes subject means Ravana was killed by Rama. Subject become object. Like Rama is becomes object. These are the rules to remember in active and passive voice. Then after note, While changing active into passive voice, pronouns should be changed but not nouns. Like whenever you change it in active into passive voice, remember pronouns should be changed but not nouns. Pronouns only should change but not nouns. We don't change the nouns. For example, I becomes me, we becomes us, you becomes you, like same, he becomes in. Only pronouns will change. She become her, it becomes it, they becomes them. For example, I take the class daily. Here I is the subject and I take the we form. Class daily is the object. Class is the object. It is in active voice. You will change into passive voice. The class is taken by me daily. Here the class is the object, taken is the V3 form, by is the preposition, and me is the subject. Just to follow the rules and we will write in change into passive voice. Next, further another example. You don't read vocabulary daily. It's a negative sentence and it is a active voice. You is the subject and don't is the helping verb. Read is the main verb. Vocabulary is the object. Like object, change it into subject. Vocabulary is not read by you daily. Vocabulary is the subject, is the B form, read is the V3 form, by is the preposition. We use that by preposition, you means object. It is in passive voice. Next example. Do they admire me? It's an active voice. They means do is the helping verb. Like it is a I asked the questions. It's an interrogator like that. They is the subject. Admire is the V form, and B is the object. Object changes into subject means it changes into I. I admired by them. I is the subject. Admired V3. By is the preposition. Them is the object. It's a passive voice. Next we will it's a table of active and passive voice. Whenever you change it in active and passive voice, first tense, simple present tense. I wrote in a structure simple present tense. Then after change into, like I wrote in passive voice. How can I change in passive voice structure also I wrote. It's a table. Like active simple present structure is the subject will be v1 plus object or complement. Here is that object, like then simple past subject or v2 plus object. Simple feature subject v1 will or shall plus v1 plus object. Like passive voice, simple present object plus is or am r plus V3 plus by or plus subject. Simple past object plus was or were plus V3 plus by plus subject. It is in passive voice. These are all structures in passive voice. Passive future, simple feature. Object or plus will or shall plus be plus V3 plus by or by plus subject. Then present continuous, normal structure subject plus is or am r plus v1 plus inger plus object. Then simple past in past continuous subject or was or were plus v1 plus ing plus object. Subject plus will or shall plus v1 plus b plus v1 b plus v1 plus ing plus object. It's a past passive voice structure in present continuous tense. So, object plus is or am r plus b plus ing plus v3 plus by plus subject. Object plus passive voice in past continuous. Object plus was or were plus b plus ing plus v3 plus by plus subject. There is no future continuous, there is no passive voice in future continuous tense. Present perfect tense, normal structure. subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Past perfect tense, subject plus had or plus V3 plus object. Future perfect tense, subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3 plus object. Present perfect passive voice structure, so object plus has or have plus been plus V3 plus by plus structure. Present perfect passive voice structure, object plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus structure. Object plus shall or will plus have plus been plus verb from 3 plus by plus structure. Past perfect continuous normal structure, subject plus has or have plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. Subject plus had a past perfect continuous normal structure, subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. Future perfect continuous normal structure, future perfect continuous normal structure, subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. Present perfect continuous passive voice structure, there is no passive voice present perfect continuous tense, there is no passive voice in past perfect continuous tense, there is no passive voice in future perfect continuous tense. I hope friends, if you like my video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.